So we're here at the zoo, seeing the monkeys.
All he wants is a large size. Oh, he wants a gorilla.
Should we go in? I think we go inside. There's a door over there.
The monkey?
Yeah, with the monkey. There's one of the monkeys.
Isn't that dangerous?
Look at those monkeys.
I think our name was the reindeer dog. Dad, remember one was eating an apple right here in front of
Yeah.
I think they're usually in here playing.
Yeah, but they brought them out.
Yeah, see, look.
Oh no, that's something else.
Brown capuchin.
Yeah, that's something else.
It's not him?
No? Yeah, that one's different. The other one was a small monkey. I don't remember.
No, this one's the same because they had these little things on their
Oh, so
head.
they did bring those ones out too. They brought them with each other.
I want to see the gorillas. I think there's gorillas
Inside there.
Yeah, it's just
thought there's someone else. Look. Oh.
Lemur fight.
Whoa.
My guess, 2 males, 1 female. Wait, that looks like a male.
They've got toys in there too.
In there. Look, I'm seeing there.
What's in there?
Oh, look.
Oh, there he is. What's happening? You see him?
Yeah, it's up there.
You see him in that little basket? Or whatever that thing is? He's hiding.
Whoa, wait. Those trees went extinct. Those trees right there. Those trees right there. Yeah, but Mom, those trees right there, I think they went extinct.
Those trees?
Yeah, I think they did.
Oh yeah, it's just a skull. Yeah, because those trees went extinct years ago.
Look, see, that's what they look like.
I wonder if he's cold. Why is he by that red light?
Yeah, he might be cold. I think that thing warms him up.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, he is up there.
Yeah, I told you he's up there.
I thought he went down there.
No, I seen him up there the whole time. He's moving around. See, he's scratching now.
Should we go somewhere else?
Yeah, let's just go somewhere else. He's not coming out. Oh, look, there he is. You see his little tail?
Yeah, I see his head too.
He's not gonna come out there.
He's cold, I think.
Yeah,
Oh, look at his tail.
You see his tail?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go see the gorillas.
Yeah, come on.
Wait for some more.
Oh, we already just were over there.
Oh yeah.
Saw him. Okay, we're going.
Gold lion. Oh, look! Look at them! Look at them!
No, they are all meat.
They're little tiny. What is it?
Whoa, they're hyper.
Wow, look. Look at them. Wait, squirrels are monkeys? Look, there's... Then why are they in here?
What is that?
Huh.
What is it?
Oh,
Oh, you see that dog?
it looks like a hamster. Yeah, it looks like a hamster mixed with the cat.
I never seen that before.
Arnold said.
It's like a hamster mixed with the cat.
He's weird looking.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, I've never seen that. I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Looks like it's old and
I never seen that though.
Yeah, me either. Me neither. Yeah, me too. It's like a hamster mixed with the cat.
What kind of little thing is he?
It's like a hamster cat.
look at his face. His face looks weird.
You see it? Oh, there's 3 of them.
Yeah, there's 3 of them.
Probably one male.
2 females or
No,
something?
one male. 2 male.
I didn't get a good one. I'm gonna have to delete that one because that sucked.
Or make a video like me.
How are you making a video? I'm gonna do a photo. Looks like a cat, huh?
Yeah, with the hamsters kind of.
I can't get a picture of it. He's hiding.
Yeah, let's go some. We're gonna take a video like me.
Right there.
He's like not showing us right there.
You're getting him. Oh my gosh.
Was that a good picture? Oh, he's blurry.
Look at him.
It's because I can't get a good view.
I seen you. You had a good view.
Just shush.
I'm gonna go see. Whoa. Yeah, let's go see these guys. White face Saki. He's up there. Look. He's up there.
Oh, he's way up there.
Oh.
What's he doing up there?
Oh, what are they doing up there?
Now what's he doing up there? He's scratching
Looks like they're
something.
doing something.
Yeah, he's like drawing. Look, let's see these ones.
These little guys are moving around. I want video.
Get a picture. You're already doing a video.
Oh!
Alright, fine. I guess I'll get a picture. But I don't see them.
He's right there. He's looking
Oh,
right
okay, I
at
see
you.
him.
He's literally waiting for you to take a picture.
Oh.
He turned his head.
That one wants you to take a picture. That's not the same.
What is he?
I don't know.
I think it shows
They're
him.
not the same.
Oh! Golden lion tamarin and a bob and gray titi.
Oh, so it's like from Africa or something.
Yeah. And there's a tamarin right there.
Least concern? Oh, shit. About this one. This one
There's
is
a golden
endangered.
tamarin.
That one's endangered.
The gold one?
Yeah, the golden one. Oh, it's the golden one from that one movie.
Yeah.
It's the golden one from that one movie.
Lion
It
King?
says that they're endangered.
They're endangered species?
Yeah.
No.
Zoom in on it.
I get a video of both of them. Oh, oh!
He's right there. Like, yeah, he's still there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Oh,
Oh, cute.
he's so tiny.
Oh, look at his eyes.
I got a lot of pictures of him. Look, he's running right there.
Yeah, and I got a video of him.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I think that.
Oh, wait, you're still recording? Oh, here.
Yeah,
Came out in a different
it's been
way.
11 minutes since I've been recording this.
Why are you recording?
I want to make a video.
That's mom. Why?
I don't know. You want to
You're gonna have, yeah, you're gonna take up all your space on your phone.
Oh, the
No,
grapes are
What, babe?
Grapes. Wait, are there gorillas?
This is Africa. Look, that's Africa. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
So cool. There's a orangutan. It's the orangutan. Yeah, I saw the species. It said it's orangutan.
Well, where is he then?
I don't know. They have to have a good eyesight.
Looks like there's clothes in there.
Oh, I see him. He was running.
You see him?
Yeah, I just saw him. He was very small though.
He took a Santa in there. Looks like he took Santa in first like that. Because there's red over there. You don't see that?
Santa
Yo.
just wanted to give him a gift.
Funny.
It is funny, isn't it? Look at those monkeys.
Monkeys?
Yeah, there's some monkeys right there.
Where?
On that. He's on that wooden thing.
He's on the wooden thing. Where?
You have to come this way.
Okay, let's see.
Junior, why do you want to use up all your space though?
There he is. Yeah, he's right there. He's like.
What kind of monkey is it?
Let's see where the species.
Let's see what kind of monkey it is.
Yeah, it shows the species most of the time. Siamang.
Habitat is,
Oh, look
I
how
think that's
cute.
Chile.
Chile? What's Chile?
No, it's Indonesia.
Indonesia?
Oh, look at him.
Oh.
He's swinging.
Yeah, he is
Junior, look at him.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's eating stuff.
He's eating. Oh.
Wait, he can pick up with his legs. Look.
Yeah, he could pick up with his feet. He's like, yeah, see, I'm better than you. You
Whoa.
can't do what I can do.
He's walking. It's really cool. What's he eating?
Why is he just sitting there?
I think those are grapes. Monkeys love
Probably
grapes.
been playing around.
I think those are grapes in there. Do you think they're grapes?
No, that's not grapes. That's
Lettuce?
not lettuce. The other, what is that the one?
Cabbage?
Not cabbage. You know which one I'm talking about? They're like celery.
Celery.
Oh, I thought you
Celery.
were gonna say radish.
Come on, let's go.
Whatever it's called.
Orangutan.
Gorillas?
Yep.
They're a minute away.
That's not that far.
Red River Hog.
The porcupine is up.
Wait, where did it say the girl was? Oh, it's over there. He's over there.
Go this way?
Yeah.
No, not that way. There's nothing over here. Meanwhile, we passed up one of them. Ooh, spider monkeys. I like them. He's up there, look.
Oh, look at him.
He's a spider monkey.
What is he doing?
He's just standing there.
Can't see his face.
Yeah, look at his home.
Spider monkey.
Bark at him.
Woo!
No, stop.
Oh,
I'm
why?
gonna bark at him. Stop.
They're
Look, I'm
endangered.
itchy.
He's
They're
scratching.
endangered. And they're in the forests of
Oh,
Central
look how
America.
cute he is.
No.
And they eat fruits, leaves, and insects like all monkeys.
Oh, I love fruits.
Like spider monkey.
I am like a monkey, kind of.
Because all you eat is one kind of fruit.
Look, he's
So-
he's wrapping his arms around his tail. Or his
Yeah.
tail's around his arms.
Spider monkey, look at me, bro. Can I see your face, please?
Spider monkey.
Is there another
Spider
one in there?
monkey.
Wait, why does he have a toy in there?
He has a.
Play.
Where is his toy?
Oh, he's
Why
right there. I
see
can
you?
see his face.
Can I see your monkey face? Your
Come here,
cute monkey
zoom in. I
face.
can see his face.
Yeah, me too.
What is he doing?
He's scratching.
Oh, I
He's
thought,
scratching his little
I
paw.
thought he was going
Got
like this.
kind of a picture.
I thought he was going like this.
He's scratching.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, well,
It looks like cards that monkeys made.
Do you think anybody has...
They sound like our dog Honey. Sounds like Dad's dog Honey. Don't they, Mom?
I wonder if your dad's awake.
Yeah, you
I'm gonna
check.
call him and see, 'cause he called me
Look at those birdies.
and I missed his
You
call.
should send him the
Wait, I think the
pictures.
black ones are the babies, and colored one. The colored one is like the mom,
Alright, let's
the mother of them. Bunny, where? Oh,
There's a couple bunnies.
what kind of species they are? I'm pretty sure it says. Oh, here it does. It says orangutan. What? There's birds too. What the heck?
We're just over here at the zoo. I'll probably send you the pictures I took.
In the videos too.
Oh, look, he's eating lettuce. Or is that cabbage?
Cabbage. They love cabbage and carrots. Whoa!
Oh, cute. They're running after each other.
The squirrel.
He's
Oh!
looking at you.
It's squirrels and rabbits. It's squirrels and rabbits.
There's squirrels, rabbits, and birds. There's birds in there. I saw a baby bird, or unless that was a bunny or a squirrel.
There's like 500 of them.
I can't even see.
They have names. Monkeys have
Oh no, there's 2,000 of them.
Junior, look.
Gorilla?
Record him, stand up.
Do you see him?
I can't even see. Oh, the monkey. Gorilla.
Gorilla,
cool.
he has
Yeah.
a scar by his eye.
Oh.
So
That's
He's
how you
cool.
know
breaking a
he's tough.
stick.
That's how you know he's tough.
Oh.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to see what you were doing. Well, we might go over.
What's he eating?
Pick up that
He's eating termites.
Termites? What's
I think
termites?
he's eating termites.
Wait, there's another one. There's another one. No, that's just a reflection. That's another
I'm
one.
gonna take a picture of it too. That's too close.
Yeah, look at him. He's just laying there eating.
Why is somebody's coat in there? Why is somebody's coat in there? It looks like your
Yeah, or some. Wait, did somebody get attacked?
well, it looks like the one.
Yeah. He's now hold doors open.
Hold doors open.
Push. Okay. Pull.
Better the pond than me.
Come here, ducky. Come here. Yeah.
Right.
Fast.